we're going to explain the Precondition Check Failed Error you might encounter when using the setScheduledTime method in the Google Classroom API. This error typically means that the API call to schedule an assignment or announcement failed because a crucial condition wasn't met before the request was processed. Let's break down the common causes and how to troubleshoot them. 1. Incorrect time zone. The most frequent culprit is an incorrect time zone specified in your request. The setScheduledTime method requires the scheduled time to be in UTC, Coordinated Universal Time. If you're providing a time in your local time zone, the API will likely reject it. Double-check that your timestamp is correctly formatted and in UTC. Use a reliable library or tool to convert your local time to UTC to avoid this error. 2. Time in the past. Another common reason is attempting to schedule an assignment or announcement for a time that has already passed. The API prevents scheduling in the past to maintain data integrity and prevent unexpected behavior. Always ensure that the scheduled time you provide is in the future. 3. Insufficient permissions. Ensure that your service account or user has the necessary permissions to modify assignments or announcements in the Google Classroom. The classroom teacher role typically possesses the required permissions. Verify the permissions in the Google Cloud Console or the Google Workspace Admin Console. Check for any API-specific permission restrictions. 4. Resource conflicts. Occasionally, the Precondition Check Failed Error arises from a conflict involving the resource you're trying to modify. For instance, another user might have made changes concurrently, invalidating your request. Retry the operation after a short delay. If the issue persists, it's recommended to investigate potential race conditions in your application's logic. 5. Course state. Verify that the course to which you are trying to add the scheduled assignment is active. A course that has been archived or deleted will not accept new scheduled items. 6. Assignment announcement already scheduled. Attempting to reschedule an assignment or announcement that is already scheduled might lead to this error. If you need to adjust the schedule, first retrieve the existing scheduled time and then use that information to update the schedule accordingly. This prevents conflicts. 7. API quotas. While less common, exceeding your Google Classroom API usage quotas could cause this error. Monitor your API usage and consider increasing your quota if necessary. Check the Google Cloud Platform console for usage details. 8. Network issues. Intermittent network problems can cause temporary failures. Try resending the request after ensuring a stable network connection. 9. Incorrect request. Body. Ensure the request body you're sending to the setScheduledTime method is properly formatted and contains all necessary fields. A simple typo or missing parameter can cause the precondition check to fail. Carefully review the API documentation for the correct format. 10. Debugging with logs. Enable detailed logging in your application to capture the complete error response from the Google Classroom API. The response might contain additional information that points to the root cause of the Precondition Check Failed Error, helping to pinpoint the problem much more efficiently. Remember to always consult the official Google Classroom API documentation for the most accurate and up-to-date information.